people there.
Okay, we are here at the Natural Bridge Viewpoint with Samuel H. Boardman State Scenic Corridor. And I hope you guys are doing well today because I am off to join the journey. And this is going to be pretty exciting. I hope not too exciting. You know what the saying is, bad decisions make good stories. But hopefully we're going to work our way through it. I do have some drone footage I'd like to get to share with you guys. And it looks like we're right at the very top of the fog line. Hey Annette, hey Grace, are we ready to roll?
Yes.
Are you good to go?
You can see, you can barely see it, but it's a thick marine layer.
Oh, okay. It's a marine layer, Annette is telling us. There is this bridge, this earthen bridge. That's the natural bridge that we've heard so much about. And you don't hear much about the fog, but today it is foggy. And you can see a little spot there where it's a little bit darker. Little brown spot there. I don't know if you can see that, but it kind of goes along the tree line there. I will not be doing that part today. So anyway, that is the natural bridge, and I think, Annette, are you ready to be my wingman today? Mm-hmm. Okay. Now this says no entry. Dangerous conditions.
Does that mean we enter?
I think that is our entrance.
Is it?
I would think so, because it seems like it's going to the natural bridge.
Okay.
And there was a stop sign. This to me looks like a stop sign. So I'll let you lead the way. Yeah, oh boy. Woohoo. I always try to keep my knees bent when possible. Mm-hmm. Yes, pine needles, yeah, or gravel. Yeah. I'm gonna, if need be, I'll try to sidestep it so I have more traction rather than, you know, if your feet are going straight down, they're gonna be more likely to be slippery. Roots are good. Roots are our friend.
It's just my shoes.
I'm glad this is the less steepest way that we decided, because this is as fairly steep as it is. In fact, the people that I was reading about before that have been down here, they said, yeah, you don't want to go down this when it's muddy. Oh. And you can see why. It'd be a slip and slide. And if you want to hang on to some of these limbs or something, if that works for you, that's kind of what I'm doing. The shortcut. Hey! We found the sun and a little less fog, hopefully. And there's the island over here. And I think this way should be to the natural bridge. There's a lot of footprints here, so let's take a look. Yeah, I think this works. Yeah, this it. It helps to have long legs here. I will say this part is not slippery. From what I can see, it's fairly flat. But I'm sure there will be spots coming up. I'm going to put my hand on the limbs overhead. Okay, I got all four. Mm-hmm. Oh, look at, we're joining. Okay. Oh, this is really, really slippery here. You definitely want to have one or two hands on these. Okay. You need a hand or you?
I don't think so. I'm gonna grab this one.
Okay, good. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I feel like this is good enough. I'm not sure if I'll go any further, but right now it's about 4 or 5 feet from there. And right here, it's not a yardstick. I'm going to give that about 2 feet in that spot. So from there, you would need to hold onto the rock as best you can. And your life depends on whether you were hanging onto that rock very well. Some of the people go up to the top of the bridge. They slither down to this point. They hopefully have kept their grip, or else they go down into oblivion. And that's what it's like over the side. It is gorgeous here. You wouldn't want to be up here if you didn't have good balance. Right? Yeah, on this side too, it's one slip on that rock right there, and it's bounces to the water, but you might not be conscious when you hit it.
The rocks.
The rocks, yeah, exactly. So, gorgeous islands here. There's one, there's another near where we were at before. You would have to find some way to swim to get to those, or have a boat or something like that. It looks almost like there's a natural bridge on this one also.
There is.
Oh, okay. There are some more trusty souls.
Yeah, I just hope I don't die.
Keep your knees bent and don't get anywhere near the crumbly, like to the left there. You can see where it's very slippery. If you got that, you would have no chance.
All right.
Okay, good luck, guys.
Yeah, nice talking to you.
Okay, watch yourself here.
Yeah. Hello.
Hi, how are y'all?
Good.
But I mean, even where you're at, if you look about 2 feet behind you, where it gets gravelly,
Yeah.
you know, if you were to stand on it and think you're okay, well, probably not, because it's slippery, and then that's it. You know, once you put your foot on that spot where it's gravelly, it's like no good. So, you know, this would actually be a spot that would be good to do drone footage, wouldn't it?
It would be.
Are you up to it?
I gotta sit down for that.
Oh yeah, oh definitely. I'm not going to do it standing, yeah.
Yeah.
That's right, because if you're watching through the monitor, yeah, that would not be so good.
I'll
If you lost your
stand up
balance.
and I get it going for a minute.
Oh sure, that would be fine.
But I'm gonna sit down.
Okay. Okay, Annette is going through the final setup before she launches. In fact, I'll be right behind you where I can get the catbird seat. Houston, we have a solution. She has taken off. There you go.
Get where I
You
can
see it? Oh, there you go.
Now I can see it.
There she be, right out that way. So she's about maybe 50 feet above the water surface. Getting hopefully some nice video as she goes.
Should we walk by?
Whoa, where are you going to walk?
Just right there.
Oh, okay. You got your balance?
Yeah.
Crumbly there, so be real careful. Oh yeah, hello! We did it. Oh, I suppose I need to get up there with her to show that it's the real deal.
I'm going back.
That was it, right?
My shoes scare me.
They thought technology would save them from all human conditions, pending wars and all the mayhem. So they spent all the time, used all the knowledge, and they created me. Mankind was obsessed with all their plans now for tomorrow. So they spent all the money and took all that they could borrow. The future was so bright until they sent it all down in this black hole. Into this black hole. Mission control. Mission control. I'm no longer going ahead according to pace. I'm floating through darkness, lost in outer space. Mission control.
This is Mission Control to Alpha 9, over.
That was fun.
Yeah.
I say,
I love these things.
I see these other guys come back. I think they were a little more frisky than we were. It's like, they're just like, oh, I'll take camera photos and videos and standing right there on the precipice, and I should have my balance.
There's another guy that had slippery shoes too.
Yes, and the one was barefoot. I'm like, what?
Yeah.
I think means put a foot here. Oh, that helps. That's not so bad. Famous last words. Okay. Oh, well, we got quite a group here. Hello. Man. Okay. Are you guys coming this way? Oh, going that way. Okay. Well, you don't have to pay admission. Then you can go for free if you go this way.
Thank you. You guys have a great day.
You too.
Well, when you're tailgating someone, you can't see where you're going.
There is that, yes. Don't stay too close to the people ahead of you. Have fun.
Thank you.
Oh, what, but wait, there's more.
One more.
Oh, you were the caboose.
Yes.
Good luck. Have fun.
Thank you. Yeah. You guys too. Be safe.
Are you good with flowers?
Keeping them?
No. Yeah, right. Keeping them. Yeah, us too for about 3-4 days.
Yeah.
No, I mean knowing all the different names.
No,
Ditto.
I don't know flowers.
I'm never lost. Sometimes I'm like Daniel Boone. He said when he was asked if he ever got lost without maps, he said, no, just perplexed for a couple days.
Yeah.
I do have a sandwich we could split. Man, all of a sudden it got quiet. We are nestled.
If the birds stop, that means Sasquatch.
Look at you going, you're like a spider. Slither right up.
Wow. We're in the rainforest.
It really is this way.
Yeah.
Just beautiful.
I guess I'm gonna call over.
I think, yeah.
Straddle it.
Oop, you got it?
Yeah.
Okay, whew. Ride that pony.
Your turn.
Giddy up, buddy, giddy up. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go under. Like
Maybe I'll take a stop and
like a,
enjoy a swallow.
what is it called? The limbo
Oh, you're doing the limbo under.
with the backpack
Oh, look at her go. How low can you go?
on. Pretty low with the backpack.
I guess.
You want me to hold something?
It tastes like heaven. So from the observation area right there, we went to the left, which I think is a good way to go. But if you keep going to the left, you get observation, but not the natural bridge. So once you make this first left, then make rights, because you want to kind of end up, I guess, on the natural bridge, and then you can come back this way. And we did not take that way down either. Not sure if that goes to the other. I would not recommend that very first right here.
And there we are.
That's what I was thinking. We should be very close.
Yeah.
Ta-da! If my nose starts to grow like Pinocchio, though, you'll know I wasn't quite telling the whole truth, but mostly true. Sometimes I embellish the stories a little bit, but yeah, we did go all the way down to where you can see that spot right there.
So that's what? How long do you think?
It's a half a mile. That's if you know which way to go. It was about 7/10 for us because we went a little bit further than we needed to. That's about right. 10 to 15 coming up.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Have you been to California? Seen the sights and people there?